In this video, I'm going to show you how to share documents from Google Docs in WhatsApp. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Open the document that you want to share. In the top right corner, click on Share. In the pop-up menu, click on Restricted. Change this option to anyone with the link. Now, click on Viewer. Here, you get three options. By default, it will be in Viewer. In this mode, the people with the link can only view your document. They can't change, edit, or copy it. If you keep it in Comment mode, they can only comment on your document, but still can't edit it. If you keep it in Editor mode, they can edit, change, or do whatever they want with the document. In my case, I will keep it in Editor mode. After the settings are updated, click on Copy Link, and done. Now, close the browser. Let's launch WhatsApp. Open the chat or group where you want to share your document. Paste the link you just copied and send it. Now, if anyone clicks on this link, they will come directly to my document. Following these steps, you can share your Google Docs in WhatsApp easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.